na ba uli yung mga cameras ninyo? So you know where to focus your eyes and cameras? So we'll just wait for a moment for the dolphins to come back to their trainers, and then we'll just set them up. Alright, so if everybody's ready, ladies and gentlemen, here they are again. And our marine mammal friends. Great entrance.
Walang pose. Pose mo yung walang